Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So over the weekend, I went to go see a play, but the way the timing worked out, I had to do something before the play. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna make me like a little packed dinner. And like, it came out really, really cute. I'll post that video next, but I wanted to include something sweet. And it's funny because I didn't even end up eating it at the freaking play. I like had it that night with a cup of tea because I'm an old woman. But anyway, I remember like M&M cookies. There used to be a bakery down the street from my middle school. I forgot the name. And we used to go there like all the time and get M&M cookies. It had smiley face cookies and it had M&M cookies. And I was like, I just thought about that randomly. And then when I was at Whole Foods a couple of weeks ago, I noticed that the brand Unreal, they have like M&Ms. And I was like, I'm gonna make an M&M cookie. So if you wanna see how I made vegan M&M cookies, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. As always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so these cookies are very straightforward to make. Literally nothing to be alarmed about. You could just whip them up. Easy breezy, quick on fast. Okay, I'm starting with my favorite vegan butter right now. It's the one from Trader Joe's. I think it's very reasonable. It's like $3. You get basically what's 2 sticks of butter. You get 16 ounces of vegan butter for $3, which if you think about it, like everywhere else, it's like double the price for like Earth Balance stuff. Now we rock her Earth Balance. She's great. We love her, but you know, we're gonna go with the cheaper option sometimes. Then it's better. I think it tastes better. Okay, I'm using this egg replacer. I love this egg replacer. I use it for baking. I don't know how I wouldn't scramble this. I mean, you know what, you do what you want to do. But I love it for baking. I use 2 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons of water, which is like following the package instructions. But like something more accurate will be in the recipe if you don't have this egg replacer. But you can use like any egg replacer. You can use just egg, but if you're gonna use just egg, I always look a little bit more because sometimes just egg. Okay, and I'm using this vegan vanilla paste. I'm very excited about it. I think I talked about it in my Chelsea buns video. It's like not typical from what I know about Trader Joe's to be able to get it this time of year because it's like a what's it called? A winter. Am I good? A winter baking item. So I was very happy to see I snatched it the last time I was there. Okay, and I also added in sugar. I only added a cup of white sugar and it's some vegan, something from Sprouts, girl. I ain't never seen it before. And some 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I thought maybe it could have been a little sweeter, but they're fine the way they are. But if you want a sweeter cookie, I'll just do a cup of each. But I think they're sweet enough, I think. And also I gave some to my friends because I did not need all these cookies in my house. And we went to dinner and I gave them one each and the cookies didn't make it at the restaurant. So talk to me nice, understand? All right, so whoa, let's not be alarmed. The cookies are a little dry, right? Don't save your fingers, don't start typing. What happened was when I made my sugar cookies, like maybe last year, I undercut the flour and they spread out like way too much. So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of flour, and if it's too dry like Ranobach, we'll add in some oat milk, and I did, and they came out perfect. You see the thumbnail, don't play with her. All right, so I added in chocolate chips and like these M&Ms. Now, obviously they're not M&Ms. And yeah, so when they bake, you notice like, oh, they're so vibrant and pretty here in the video. In your thumbnail, it looks like what happened. I've noticed that a lot of vegan food colorings do not hold up under heat. So that's what happened. They still tasted good. Just you cannot over bake them. You see like how I'm putting them on top. Would I recommend you do this? Maybe, yes. I just noticed that the flavor is a little off on the ones that are on top, but like not bad. Like I said, I gave them the 2 non-vegans. You see how they look a little like all my life I had to fight? No, you know what it looks like? You know how a slide at the park be outside for like years and years and years? That's what they look like. But it don't matter because they were so good. Look at the inside. Don't play with her. But the color does not hold up because there's somewhere, I think I have a red velvet video out, but the red velvet video that was supposed to go out like a year before that one, I used like, it said like plant-based food coloring. Like it was explicitly for that. And that red turned brown real quick. So when I saw this, I said, oh, she one of them. But it came out so good. It was so nostalgic. I'm like, when is the last time I had? I've been vegan for how long? 8 years almost? Not, I don't know, girl. It's not 9. Is it 8? Is it 7? Who knows? Anyway, it's been years since I had an M&M cookie. I was like, oh my God. And it just pairs well with, like, you know, end of the day, a little cookie, your cup of tea, rubbing your feet together, watching The Office. Yeah, exactly. If you want that life, make these cookies. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know some I have no videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what I should make next. Y'all be cooking in the comments. Someone said like a cheesecake cookie something. I said yeah, period. Let me figure it out. So let me know. Type away. I love talking to y'all. Y'all be so fun. So yes, talk to me. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.